Hello and welcome everybody. DWAC stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start with easy price prediction explanation. So this goes to be returning back for what we want on this stock, or if we want to see that it's going to be on one day, it's going to be different here a little bit for 4 hours, but 4 hours is easy to be explained. So I think this is going to be the thing that matters, since we see the price, the lowest value that it has reached on this stock is going to be a value of 160 USD. Also here is going to be 16 or 15. However, this is the intersection that we are going to aim. Then this decrease and then increase that happiness on the DWAC stock. Hope you benefit from what we have explained on this video, and good luck on another episode of the price prediction, and good luck.